We are leaving behind the plains and going into the Western Ghats. Welcome. Look at that. Look how the roads have just narrowed all of a sudden. Oh. Although this is the first time I'm taking this road, by the way. Oh, it has become a lot more colder. Aha, I can feel it. Achankovil പോവാനാ? Achankovil പോവാനാ? പോവാനായിരുന്നു. പോവാലോ. അവിടെ താമസിക്കാൻ ഇന്ന്. ആ. Thank you. Oh, bro, check this transition, bro. Oh my God, this is Western Ghats. Welcome to the Western Ghats, you boys. This is all you're going to see now. Oh, fresh Anapindam. Ba.
அங்கே வா இது வாடா வா வா
എന്ത് രസാ.
കുഴങ്ങ് വരുന്നുണ്ടോ?
കുരങ്ങ് വരുമോ? അയ്യോ, കൊല്ലടാ കുരങ്ങിന്. പോയി വാ. ആ, ഇത് കടിക്കുമോ? ഓ, ഇതിനെ കടിക്കുമോ അത്? ഓ, അത് ശരി. ചേട്ടൻ എവിടെയാ വീട്? മുകളിലാ? ഓ, അത് ശരി. എൻ്റെ വണ്ടിയിൽ ഫുള്ള് സാധനങ്ങൾ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ലിഫ്റ്റ് വന്നേനെ. സോറി ചേട്ടാ. ഇത്ര അടുത്താ, അതായത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ആനിമൽസേ ആൾക്കാരോട് ഇത്ര അടുത്താണ് വരുന്നതെന്ന്.
ഞാൻ കയ്യിൽ വെച്ച് കൊടുക്കും, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൈ കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ കുരങ്ങില്ലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ
ചേട്ടൻ കൈ കൊടുത്തോ, ഞാൻ വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം.
കുരങ്ങ് സമ്മതിക്കത്തില്ല.
കുരങ്ങുണ്ട്. ഓ, അറിയാത്ത ആരില്ല. ചേട്ടൻ ഇങ്ങനെ സ്വഭാവം കൊണ്ടാ, ഇങ്ങനെ ആൾക്കാരോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടാ.
പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷൻ കിട്ടി.
ആ,
അമ്പലം പണിഞ്ഞ ആളിനെ വെച്ച് പഴയ ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ തന്നതിനെ ആണ്ട നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വർക്കത്തെയും ബാക്കിത്തെയും അനുകരിക്കട്ടെ.
താങ്ക് യു ചേട്ടാ. എത്ര വയസ്സായേട്ടാ? ഒരു 70. ആ, ഓക്കെ, അവിടെ കാണാം. എൻ്റെ അമ്മ എന്ത് സ്പീഡിലാണ് ഉള്ളിൽ നടക്കണേ. ബാഗ് ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാ കേട്ടോ, സോറി. ശരി, ബൈ. അവിടെ വെച്ച് കാണാം. I didn't meet him after that, but the energy and enthusiasm that man carried and how he passed it on to younger people like me was something special. Soon after, I reached Achankovil. Hey, this is Achankovil. What a cute little place. rest house. Very homely. Looks nice. PWD rooms. Room ഉണ്ടാവോ? ആ ഉണ്ടോ? I stayed there for 2 days and it rained almost the entire time. No network, no internet, completely disconnected from the outside world. The people here were full of life and character, surrounded by peacocks, mist, and endless shades of green. Early morning, 6:30. Can you hear me? It's already started raining here. Like, yeah, this is what you should expect once you enter into the Western Ghats. Like rains. So, this is the Achankovil temple right here behind me. Despite the rain, I still try to explore a few places nearby. Hi, so there are multiple, water crossings like this on the way. When it rains, all of this, water crossings will have plenty of water. So, when it is flowing like this much of water, it will be difficult to cross. I just crossed this and I came this side because I have to go back, right? I inquired there. They told me that it's closed right now because it's raining. Yeah, I think I have to go back. There are 3 or 4 water crossings like this, like that, yeah, which I have to cross. So I hope that the rest of the water crossings are clear and I'm good to go. Tomorrow early morning I am leaving from here. The next morning I left Achankovil and rode towards Kollam. Hi. So we are checking out from the room that we were staying in, Achankovil. So this is the room, pretty spacious. I almost forgot to show you the room, by the way. It's pretty spacious. I only paid 400 rupees for it. Yeah, it's a PWD rest house. So yeah, that's something. Just get the gloves and we are leaving. വെള്ളം കുടിച്ചു വേണ്ട ഞാൻ ഇനി അവിടെ എത്തിയിട്ട് കുടിച്ചോളാം. അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഞാൻ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും എത്തിയിട്ടേ ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിർത്തുമ്പോൾ. യെസ്, the journey to Punalur and from there Kollam, I'm going to my friend's house. So it will be really exciting because we'll be riding through a forest. So we are entering into the forest. People told me that there are no roads, literally. Oh, like this. These are all tribal areas. Oh, that's proper forest, boys. Oh, and it's like raining like crazy. Oh, what an experience. What an experience. People there told me, people at Achankovil told me that there are no roads. Look at the roads. Yes, the roads are broken. That doesn't mean that there are no roads. Like, look at the roads. They're good. Yes, it's broken and there are puddles here and there. We have very good roads in Kerala. The Malayalis don't know what it means to have no roads, like literally no roads, right? There's nothing like that. It's like well paved, really good roads with, puddles here and there. That's all. From Achankovil, I rode straight to my friend's place in Kottayam, about 100 kilometers away. This is baby Parvati and her partner Jittu. Baby was one of my close friends in college and one of the first people to teach me how to ride. In fact, I gained my confidence on this very motorcycle of hers. I had a splendid time with them for about 3 days. After that, I continued my journey back on the road following the Ghats. Bye. We are leaving from Jittu's place, Jittu's and baby's place. We are going towards Mundakayam right now. And we are actually entering into the Idukki district, probably my favorite district in Kerala, because the whole district is in the Western Ghats. The whole district is in the Western Ghats. So it's full of mountains and forests and all of that. Idukki is a district that you can't really explore fully because most of them is in the reserve forest area. And not just that, it's an absolutely beautiful district. Look how beautiful this road is. We are going through the rubber plantations. The roads are so beautiful. Idukki. Idukki never failed to mesmerize me. Winding roads, each turn revealing another waterfall, another stretch of lush greenery. There's one place called Panjalimede. We're not going there. It's nothing much to see. We'll be seeing places similar to that a lot along the way. So we're just skipping that place, yeah. It's a very popular place, and especially this day being a puja holiday, we can expect a lot of people to be there also. So I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna go past Panjalimede and go to Kuttikanam. Panjalimede is just 4 kilometers from here. Like right. See the traffic block here. Take a look at that waterfall. Wow, this is beautiful, man. Unfortunately, just full of people. Should I wait here for some time or should I just move on? Just gonna move on very quickly. Way too many people here. It's here, amidst these curves and cascades, that my fascination with the Western Ghats first began. Man, it's become so cold. Really cold now. Kerala's very own Idukki. Wild, beautiful, and endlessly inspiring.